Alright, greetings out there in Veloster world. This is Tony C back again. We're going to be doing a little marker light change. Bulb went out on here. First I was afraid that I was going to have to remove the entire unit because apparently to get to the light bulb you got to pull off the bumper and all the rest of the stuff. That's what I call an engineering issue, and I don't know what engineers are thinking, but as far as this goes, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Back here at the edge of the unit there is just a little plug. Just twist it a quarter turn to the heading towards the fender there, so to the right, pull it out, and there goes the bulb itself. This is what we're going to change. Now since I'm doing this, you know, it's always been in my experience to change both bulbs, both sides at the same time, because if one goes out usually the other one is not far to go. So let me put this right down here. We will be using the Silver Star Sylvania. I like Sylvania products. To me, they last pretty long. There's actually better ones, the LED ones there, but I didn't feel like kicking out $20-something. I think I saw them between like $17.99 to about $25 or so. And since I got some other projects going on, I want to make sure that, you know, I use my money wisely there. But they do have, Sylvania does have one that it is a lifetime guarantee on the LEDs. So, you know, next time they blow, I may just go ahead and kick that out. Now, as you notice, I'm wearing gloves. Yes, this is not a condom on my hand. Wearing the gloves because you never want to get the oil from your finger on top of the bulb. If you do, that's going to create a hot spot. The bulb's going to burn out, just in case you didn't know that. All right, now bear with me a moment here. I'm going to have to turn the camera to the side, so I'll keep on yakking for a second. You can look at the scenery. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to remove this bulb. It just pulls straight out. And then we take the other bulb and we just, let me make sure I'm in here. Just go ahead and push it in. I hope this is coming in clear, guys. If it isn't, forgive me. There we go. So you can see the newer bulb is a little bit bluish tint. It's supposed to give you a really nice white light there. All right, and then of course all it takes is a little twist here. Let's get underneath. See it going in. Just a half turn counterclockwise, I guess it would be, if I got it in there right. And of course I'm working with the wrong hand here, so bear with me. Apparently I'm not doing things the right way here. And let's get that in, and voila. And there it goes. That simple, that easy. So I'm going to go over here. The other one, of course, you can see it right there. Much better view here. And while we're over here, let's just take a look at my oil catch can, which I think has something inside of there for me, a little gift waiting. On this one, again, it's just a twist towards the inside of the car, and boy, I got to clean out the inside of my engine compartment. We're going to pull it out. Again, this bulb is still good, but you know, you want to do these both at the same time. This way I'm not on the road and this thing comes out. Okay, just pull straight out, drop down, grab the other bulb, insert. Just remind me, go up here and show you my age here, of the flash bulbs they used to have on the cameras years ago. That's what happens when you're a kid of the 70s, you know, these stupid little details of things. Okay, then we just insert that unit back in. Pretty straightforward. Give it a little twist. Hang on, you got to make sure it's seated right in order to give it the twist. And since I am working against what feels right, talking about the angle here, I mean, a little bit of a problem there. Okay. So now, come on guys, what the heck. All right, and there we go. So you might have to twist it around. It does go in a certain way. It isn't, you know, one way fits everything. There is a certain way to put it in. There's a certain way to pull it out. So let's go over here and just kick on my little Raptor. Clutch in, that's right. I'm using the clutch. Alrighty. We come out here. Let's see. Well, of course, nothing's on because my lights aren't triggered. Okay, anyway, you get the general gist of how this is supposed to work. Okay. Let's see. I got one side on. That's looking good. And this side here. There we go. Okay, you have to make sure I could see as soon as I looked at that it wasn't sitting right in the fixture itself. But once you got it on, you know, just make sure you clamp them in properly because you do not want to get any water inside the light unit. That is bad mojo. Alright, again, this is Tony C and his Raptor Scarlet signing off. So any questions, post them down below. And thanks a lot. More tips to follow.